Welcome to the 2023 Cat Olympics. Making some tuna salad sandwiches, red onion, pickle relish, mayonnaise, tuna, and boiled eggs. Cut the whites up, mix the yolk in, a little smoked paprika. Always let the cat lick the cans. And these cans are clean. I mean, she's already licked them clean, and she'll sit here and go back and forth. And she'll lick them all across the house, even though they're completely empty. Go, kitty! Meow meow. She's ignoring me. Hey, you're really getting into that, aren't you? Hey. Hey, what? Oh, there's a couple specks still in there, huh? But I'm gonna have lunch and sit here and laugh at the cat for the next 30 minutes. Have a good day.